until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Santa Rosa, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Santa Rosa and Colonias. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 259 and 273. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Guadalupe, New Mexico. Significant weather advisory for north central Guadalupe.